Good morning, family. So this is my apple mint that I have from last season. That's a dead, that's a dead stem. And this is what I had to do to a lot of my plants that stayed out in the garden um, through the winter. And as you can see, she got some stems where I cut them off because she was trying to save that and she couldn't save that thing. That thing is gone. So I'm just taking it off, cleaning her up. Just making sure the dead parts is gone. Who want to walk around with something dead on them, right? Yeah, get it off. Get it off. So this is the apple mint. Yeah, something's chewing on her too. Yeah. So here I'm just trying to see if I see something hiding in the soil, because that's what they do. Every insect, they have their little tricks on how they survive, but that's okay. We have our tricks on how to survive too. Yeah. Yeah, but anyway, guys, this is my apple mint as of today. I'm gonna give her a little super juice with 511 in it and let her enjoy this beautiful day. All right, guys. All right, family. So, if you've been around my channel a while, then you know I drop a lot of seeds, and sometimes I forget what I've dropped. And as you can see, I have these purple basil coming up all over. Now, this is right here where I'm growing cucumbers, and they're going to be beautiful. I decided to just speed through this because it's a harvest, guys. It's a harvest. We all have seen harvests. So I'm harvesting from 2 collard greens here. And of course, today is Sunday. And yes, I'm harvesting these collards because this is going to be my dinner for today. I also harvest 2 of my curly kales that I cooked with these collard greens. And these are collard greens that I dropped these seeds back in early fall. Yeah, late spring last year. But they are beautiful and healthy, bug-free, and I'm just grateful every time I get a harvest of anything that I have out here in this grocery store, y'all. Anything I harvest. So these are the kales. These are curly kales, and I want you all to know that these are the Dollar Tree curly kales. The Dollar Tree seeds curly kales. That's what that is. They are nice and healthy. Of course, I give them super juice and 511, but they are beautiful. And there's 2 plants in this, I think it's a 5-gallon grow bag. Now, in my garden, and I know many of you all know, but if you don't know, I grow in ground, in containers, in grow bags, in raised beds. I grow it all. If it got a bottom, look, I'm ready to put a seed in it. And it works, family. It all works. So I also harvest this. I harvest a white Vienna kohlrabi and a purple kohlrabi that that I'm putting in my dinner for this evening. Yeah, so hear me. I have them inside. I'm cleaning them up. I have some salt and vinegar in this water. Yeah, to get them nice and clean. I didn't find any bugs at all, but just in case. Now listen guys, this is my fig trees. Now if you can see that they are nice and big, and they all got leaves, and leaves are getting nice and healthy. They are just gorgeous. So one person asked me, say, well, TNOG, where is the flowers? Where do flowers come out? So fig trees, my baby, does not give flowers. It doesn't matter what variety of fig you have, and there are many, but with a fig tree, the fruit is the flower. Yeah, the fruit is the flower. So there is no flowers that come out and then the fruit, like every other fruit tree that we know. So another thing I do with my fig trees, and not only my fig trees, all the other trees, is I take like dead leaves or damaged leaves from my vegetables, and I place around in the container with the fruit trees. You see there, y'all, I got figs, and there are more than one too. There's a lot more, but anyway. So I put these leaves in the containers with the fig tree. And I'm trying to mimic nature, because that is what nature does. The leaves will fall to the foot of the plant, and the plant will absorb all the nutrients, right? Right. So what I do is I take some leaves and put it in the pot with these fig trees. And with one of them, yeah, y'all, I got a lettuce growing in this pot with, I think this, with Fiona. Yes. I think I'm gonna show it on this one. That, yeah, there she is. So she got lettuce growing with her, and lots of zinnias. I dropped those myself. Yes. And this is my LSU purple, and I love this fig tree because the LSU purple, it tastes like someone sprinkled a little cinnamon on my figs. I love the flavor. It's wonderful. And of course, the LSU Gold, she is just big, juicy, and when you bite this fig, it's like jam inside. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like jam, y'all. Yeah. But listen, guys, I promised Jaydah that I would take her down to Cafe du Monde. She wanted to get some beignets in the French Quarters. So yeah, we're gonna go down, and I'm gonna share with you all the sights and sounds on a Saturday in the French Quarters. Hey. So Jaydah wanted some Cafe du Monde beignets. Look at the line, y'all. It's way there. See that? Over there, they have, like, where that lady sitting at on that bench, and they had to sing out there. So I want to show you this. Let's go in the back. This is inside of Cafe Du Monde. There we go.
What else should I do?
Till that morning. Wow. Yeah. Just record it. I didn't know that this man was doing that, and Jaydah was just laughing at him, and they were communicating by her laughing at him. Wow.
You gotta put your hat up. I can't see your face. The shade covering it. Right here.
All right. Look, Jaydah.
Can I turn the camera?
Huh?
Sure.
I love that. Yes. So cute.
Tell me when you're ready. Or if you want.
All right. So this was a beautiful, beautiful Saturday in the French Quarter. And of course, spending it with my granddaughter, we had a grand time. We had a grand old time. I shared with her when I was coaching a lot of young men and women to sing. I used to have them come out here to Cafe Du Monde, and they had to sing for free in front of everybody. They did it, and all of them, they love it now. They do it for free now. So this dude here, he put some bottle caps on the sole of his shoes. Hey man, everybody gotta hustle, bro. Everybody gotta hustle. Hey. I got you, man.